study of technology, development analysis, and Indonesian government support related to electric cars. The Indonesian government has strongly encouraged the use of electric cars. As stated by President Joko Widodo at the 2020 Annual Financial Services Industry event at the Grand Ballroom of the Ritz-Carlton Pacific Place, Jakarta, that only electric cars will one day be allowed to pass through the new capital city. The CNN Indonesia site entitled Direction of Jokowi, the new capital exclusively for autonomous electric cars, reported about the electric car policy that will be implemented in Indonesia's new capital city. The city of Jakarta, once ranked as the second most polluted air level in the world according to the Air Visual website in August 2019. One solution in reducing the use of motorized vehicles is to switch to electric-based vehicles such as electric cars. In a journal on the MDPI website entitled A Comprehensive Study of Key Electric Vehicle Components Technologies, it is stated that electric cars are not a new technology in the automotive world. However, in fact, there are still many Indonesian people who do not know about electric car technology. This paper seeks to share knowledge with the general public so they understand more about this technology and in the future can participate in the success of the Indonesian government's plan to promote electric-based vehicles, especially electric cars. First type, series hybrid. In a series hybrid system, the combustion engine does not turn the wheels directly, but an electric motor is the only means of providing power to the wheels. The disadvantages of this series hybrid vehicle include combustion engines, generators, and electric motors play a full role in vehicles. Second type, parallel hybrid. Parallel hybrid systems have an internal combustion engine and an electric motor in parallel connected to a mechanical transmission. Third type, combined hybrid. The combined hybrid system has features of both series and parallel. This also happens in parallel hybrids. Figure 6 shows the structure of a PHEV vehicle in a combined hybrid system. PHEV vehicle structure in a combined hybrid system. The disadvantages of combined hybrid vehicles are very complicated system and more expensive than parallel hybrid. While the benefits include, has maximum flexibility to switch between electric power and combustion engine. Weaknesses of electric cars compared to conventional cars, although it has a number of advantages. It turns out that electric car technology also has many weaknesses or shortcomings. In terms of completeness of infrastructure, namely the lack of public refueling places for electric cars. And because of the large enough electricity demand, certain areas can only be enjoyed by certain areas, especially in big cities that have a more stable electricity network. On the one hand, in terms of small dimensions, it makes electric cars more dynamic but only enough for 2 passengers. Meanwhile, if it is a passenger car, it can cover a distance of 405 kilometers with one full battery charge, but the price is still not affordable for the general conclusion. The use of the first electric car was introduced in 1828 and the first produced in 1884. Broadly speaking, there are 2 main types of electric cars, namely battery electrical vehicles BEV and plug-in hybrid electrical vehicles PHEV. Where BEV is an electric car that only relies on energy stored in battery packs, while PHEV is a combination of a car that has 2 energy sources, namely electrical energy stored in batteries and energy sources from burning fuel oil. The Indonesian government strongly supports the development and marketing of electric cars with the issuance of Presidential Decree No. 55 of 2019 concerning the acceleration of battery-based programs for road transportation. The government is committed to developing a transportation energy system that leads to an electric-based vehicle (KBL) policy. One way to get people interested in using electric-based vehicles (KBL), such as electric cars, is by providing incentives such as reducing vehicle taxes and being free from odd-even programs on highways such as in the national capital.